The Shadow Journal is making $1 million per week right now on TikTok shops, and they're being sold by average people like you. You're seeing this all over TikTok every single day. Like this TikToker sold 345,000 units at $8, which is $2.7 million in revenue. And this one sold 36,000 units at $8, which is $288,000 in revenue. And they're more than likely making 50 to 60% on that in profit since they aren't running ads. And that's just a couple TikTokers. And they're achieving this by simply posting relatable content on TikTok. And they can sell these products for so cheap because they're not paying for ads. So you can literally compete with Walmart. Save money, live better, right? So you're probably comparing yourself to these young kids making all this money, and you want that success for yourself, but you just don't know how to go viral on TikTok and make sales. So if that sounds like you, then you're gonna wanna stick around until the end of this video, because I'm gonna show you how you can make a minimum $10,000 profit in the next 30 days without spending a cent on ads using TikTok shops.
Hold on a second, who the fuck are you to make a claim like that?
Fair enough. I'm Hassan. I've been dropshipping since 2016. I've done numbers like this on Shopify. I come from the era of finding a product on AliExpress, marking up that product 3 to 4x the cost, and running Facebook ads to my Shopify store to get customers. And that usually involves selling the product for a premium price, and it can be incredibly difficult to actually get people to buy it and make a profit on it. So guys, follow this 6-step framework to the T if you wanna make at least $10,000 profit in the next 30 days. Step 1 is find a product with a wow factor. It can either be a problem-solving product or something that people would find cool or trendy. You don't need to use spy tools or anything like that. Just start scrolling TikTok, and once you come across a TikTok shop product or an ad promoting a product that grabs your attention, engage with that ad, click on the shop now or TikTok shop button, pretend that you're a customer, add it to cart, fill out your info until you get to the part where you're actually about to buy it, and then don't buy it. What this will do is it'll trigger the algorithm to think that you're a consumer interested in products, and it will start showing you nothing but product-based ads. Now, you want to pick products that have gone viral, and you can do a little bit of research on TikTok to find those specific products. You don't want there to be hundreds of accounts selling it like the Shadow Journal, because likely that ship has sailed and it's saturated. So you want to find something that has gone viral and proven itself, but not something like the Shadow Journal where everyone and their mom hopped on it. You know what I'm saying? So step 2 is order a sample of the product you find and ship it to your house. You can typically find it on Amazon or eBay for fast shipping, and don't worry about the expense. You can return it for a refund after you're done. So step 3 is see what videos are going viral on TikTok, either from competitors of that product or videos around that niche. Use the Chrome extension sort for TikTok, and it'll show you their best performing videos. Now you want to create content just like this. Remember that the most important part of your video is your hook, which is the first 2 to 3 seconds of the video. This is what stops the scroll, and if you don't stop the scroll, your videos will never go viral, right? So I also have a list of 58 proven TikTok hooks that have gone viral in the past. If you want a copy of this document, comment hooks below and I'll send it to you. Now, step 4, edit your videos. Don't overcomplicate it. You can do basic TikTok style editing in CapCut or Canva. Now, step 5, set up your TikTok shop. You can do so with the link in the description below, and in case TikTok shop is not available in your country for any reason, you could still do this, but you'll do it with a Shopify store. And if you don't want to worry about setting up a Shopify store from scratch, I have great news. Shopify is sponsoring me to build stores for my followers, and it's completely free. And we'll have it ready for you within 24 hours. The link is actually in the description below. Lastly, start posting your videos. Your goal should be to post twice a day, every single day for 30 days. That would be 14 videos a week and 56 videos in 30 days. This will give you the highest probability of going viral and getting sales on your TikTok shop. And keep in mind that you will probably go viral way before you even create all 56 videos. So that's your step-by-step framework. This is a process that's working really well right now, and this is perfect for those of you who want a low-risk way of getting into e-commerce and making some capital. And if you want me to do a challenge video where I find a product and do this myself and show you live, comment below. And if you have questions, don't be shy, leave a comment. I answer every single comment. And you can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Bazzi Hassan. I post short form content there all the time, helping you make money with e-commerce. And if you found this video valuable, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.